Why is a warranty so important when selecting a replacement window or door company?
That's a great question, Corey. But just like anything you buy, things don't last forever. There are potential for problems. So you want to make sure that whatever company that you choose, whether it's a manufacturer or an installation company, that they cover the lifetime of your product, your expected usage lifetime. So if a dual pane unit fogs up, for example, you want to make sure there's somebody standing behind it that's going to cover that. Parts and labor. Not everybody does. Some manufacturers only cover the parts. And read the fine print. Is it a lifetime warranty that lasts for 5 years? Or is it a lifetime warranty that lasts for a lifetime?
How does a company's longevity affect installation warranties?
It's funny you should ask that question. I was talking to someone earlier today that was telling me about a couple of small companies where this friend of mine drove past and they're no longer in business. There yesterday, gone today. If that's the company you bought windows from and you've got a problem, good luck. That's not a good scenario. You want a substantial company that's going to stand behind it and is financially sound and is going to be there for you 5, 10, 15 years down the road.
What should people look out for when considering a warranty?
There's two aspects to warranty. You've got the manufacturing side, the product, and then you have the installation, the labor side. On a warranty from a manufacturer, you need to make sure that you know what their warranty covers. Some cover labor, a lot don't. That's very important because getting a free piece of glass and having no one to install it, that's not going to be nice for you. On the installation side, typically most companies, they only give you what the state tells them they have to. So it's a limited length of time. What you really need is companies that give you a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your home on your installation process.
What's the biggest misconception about warranties?
You know, the biggest problem with warranties is people don't read the fine print. So again, you've got two sides to buying windows and doors. You've got the product warranty and you have the installation warranty. And they come from different companies. Make sure you ask the right questions to find out whether a lifetime warranty is a lifetime warranty or it's a limited lifetime warranty that expires in a year or 5 years. Same with the labor. How long is that really going to cover your house?